about a year and a half ago, we received an email that asked if we would be interested in collaborating on the design of a lightweight magnesium chair. And for us, this was really our dream brief to design a chair in a new material. And of course, we said yes. And then we just started the collaboration from there. Magis was really the dream company for us to work with, because we appreciate the product so much, and a lot of the products in the company really have to do with the interpretation of a technology, or really to bring it from another world into design. So this for us is something that's very interesting, because we really like to deal with materials and technologies.
So about the chair that we designed, we thought about, first of all, we received the brief about designing a chair from magnesium, and it was very important for us to think really what is the
best expression,
of the material and what is right for magnesium. So naturally, is lightweightness. This is 30% less than aluminum, so it's a potential to design a very lightweight chair.
And we really wanted to find a chair that expresses this lightness in the best sense. So
yeah, so really the stackability was our starting point. We said we need to do a chair that is stackable, but not only stackable, stackable in a very good way. So we want this kind of infinite stacking kind of chair. Vertically.
We call it the perfect stacking.
Yeah, and for us also all the shape that goes around it, we wanted to be very minimal in shape, but all the shape necessary to achieve also this stacking, and also a comfortable chair, and also a chair that is strong enough.
Although the stacking is the main idea, we actually wanted it to be really discreet. So you don't identify it immediately as a stacking chair. Just in the second take, you understand that it's a stacking chair. And for this reason, we also designed a lot of elements that are very identified with outdoor, like the draining hole for water. We designed the seat so that water cascades to the back, so there's no need for this hole. So the chair can easily fit indoor or outdoor, and you don't identify it with institutional shape or with an outdoorsy shape. So it's kind of like a unisex chair in the fact that it fits like many environments and spaces.